If you've been looking for Nano Banana Pro free unlimited access or a consistent character AI image generator, in this video I'll walk you through both in one easy tutorial. In my last video, I showed you a website that could generate images for free, but it took almost 10 minutes to generate a single result. Today I'm showing you a much faster website that generates images in under 1 minute. The only thing you'll need are credits, and if you use the link in the description, you'll receive extra free credits when you sign up. Before we continue, remember, if you're watching from India, you might face some errors while accessing this website, so I recommend using a VPN. Now tap on the Continue with Email button. I'll type this email in the email section. If you don't know about this email, make sure to watch the previous video. Next, enter your password and tap on Create Account. Now check your inbox and verify your email by entering the OTP. Once you're verified, tap on Create Your First Project. Then select the Image option. Now choose your resolution. Select the image file format and then select the Google Nano Banana Pro model. As you can see, you can use the Nano Banana Pro model completely free, no subscription required. I grabbed a prompt from this website. It offers a lot of prompts, so feel free to use any of them and experiment. You can see the generation timer has started. The image generation is now complete and it took only seconds to generate. If you found this helpful so far, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. But here's the question: how do you download it? The website asks for a subscription to download the image, but there's a way to download it for free. If you want to learn the method, join the Telegram group and simply send a message. Martini. Now let's move to the second part, creating a consistent character. To start, you need a model image. I already have one ready, so I'll upload it here. Next, create the Google Nano Banana Pro node and then connect the reference image node directly to it. This tells the model to follow the face from your uploaded picture. For the prompt, I'm choosing one from this website. I'll remove any words that might override or change the original model's look. Once everything is set, tap on Generate. Now just wait a few seconds and your consistent character image will be created. So that's how you can use the Google Nano Banana Pro model for free and generate consistent character images using this method. Comment below if you face any problems, and I'll see you in the next one.